Good morning, children. How are you? Hope all of you are fine and healthy. Children, today we will continue lesson number 4, editing in MS Word 2010. Children, in the previous tutorial, I have explained you about the selecting text by using a keyboard and by using a mouse. I have also explained you about the deleting text and inserting text. Children, today we will take some other topics. Other topics are undo and redo command, cutting or copying text, and last is your spell check. Children, the shortcut keys to undo is Control plus Z, and shortcut keys to redo is Control plus Y. So children, I will explain you all these commands on the desktop with the help of practical. So children, let us start the practical. Look children, I have already typed the text here. Now children, I will explain you the function of undo and redo command. Suppose you want to delete calculation from here. Okay, select it and then delete it. Now children, you are thinking that by mistake you have deleted this word. Okay, so you want to bring this word again without typing. So bring the cursor on the undo command here, click it here, your word will come here, it will be back here. Now again you are thinking no, it should not be here. Then again bring the cursor on the redo command, click it here. Okay, again it has gone. So children, this is the function of undo and redo command. Now children, your next command is cutting or copying text. First we will show you how to cut the text. So children, bring the mouse pointer here, bring the cursor here and select till early man. Children, I want to cut and early man. So what we have to do, we have to first select it. I have first selected the text. Then we have to go on the cut option in the home menu. Here. Children, this is the cut option in the home menu. Look at clearly children. Now children, bring the cursor there, mouse pointer there on the cut and then click it. Now look children here, children, the selected text will disappear from its original location. Now next is children paste command. You want the deleted text here after the record. Then bring the cursor here, click it here children, and then in the home menu there is a paste option. This is your paste option children. Go and click it there with the help of mouse. Okay. Now children, what will you see? You will see that this text, the deleted text will come here. So children, this is the function of cut and paste text. Now how to copy the text children? Again, what you have to do children, you have to select the text. Suppose I want to copy till here, only two lines I want to copy. So I have selected the 2 lines. Then bring the cursor or mouse pointer on the copy option in the home menu. Click it here. Okay. And where you want these 2 lines, you want these 2 lines here. Okay. Then again go on the paste option in the home menu. Click it here. Okay. What you will see children, lines which you have copied will come here. This is the function of copy and paste option. Now children, your next option is spell check. Children, whenever we type in MS Word, we may do some mistakes. So children, to search an error, we use spelling and grammar check. There is a spelling and grammar check feature in MS Word. So children, to get error-free document, we use this command, spelling and grammar check command. Children, in MS Word, spelling mistakes are shown by red wavy line and grammatical mistakes by green wavy line. So children, let us start. Look here, this is a red wavy line, means this spelling is wrong. And here is green wavy lines, means there is a grammatical mistake. Okay children, now children, let us see what you have to do to check spelling and grammar. What you have to do, you have to first click at the beginning of the document and then click on the review tab on the ribbon. Look here children, this is a review tab. We have to click it here. Okay, with the help of mouse, I am clicking it here. Okay, after clicking it children, then here is an option come spelling and grammar. Then we have to click on spelling and grammar. Bring the mouse pointer here, click it here. The first spelling or grammar mistake will be selected and displayed in the dialog box. Children, this is your dialog box. This is your spelling mistake, children. And here suggestions are also given. Suggestions are also displayed to correct the error. So we have to click on the suggestion which we want to use for correcting the error. And then after that, click change button to replace the wrong button. Here is a change button. We have to click on the change button. Now first select the option. We want the here, THE. Click it here and then change it. Okay. Here also the spelling is wrong. Suggestions are here, TIMES. Click it here and then click it on change button. Click it here. Okay. The spelling and grammar check is completed. And then click on the OK. This is the function of spell check option. So children, we all have completed lesson number 4, editing in MS Word. Hope children you all have clearly understood it. Thank you children and have a nice day.